Hello everyone, in this video I try to show how the behavior of a transversal line. Clearly we see that A and B are parallel lines and this line is transversal and it make an angle 120 degree here A side, and same thing happen with B side. It also make a 120 degree. See, here make 120 degree and here also make 120 degree, and in front of this make 120 degree just because of vertical opposite angle. Same thing happen below at B line, this line. So to maintain a linear pair, that is 180 degree, if here is 120 degree, then here make 60 degree just to maintain a linear pair angle, that is 180 degree. If I add 60 degree and 120, it's equal to 180 degree. Same thing happen below here. So I try to change a direction so that different angle make, and you understand accordingly. Suppose here is make 80 degree and in front of this what here also make 80 degree just because of vertical opposite angle, and again to maintain a linear pair, here is make 100 degree automatically to maintain a linear pair, that a linear pair angle, that is 180 degree. And same thing happen just below. If here is 100 degree, here is 100 degree, here is 80 degree, here is 80 degree, here is 100 degree, here is 100 degree. So I hope you visualize what happening here. It makes same angle. See, here is 104 degree, 104 degree, and there always sum is equal to 180 degree. 76 plus 104, similarly 104 76, and this same case is copy here. I hope you understand what I am trying to saying about transversal lines. Thank you. Now if I am talking about the difference between transversal line when case of parallel and when case of non-parallel case of parallel lines are, I already discussed that both lines behave equally. For example, here it make 89 degree and it automatically make 89 degree below, but it not happen with here is angle 79 degree and here is 94 degree. It can be anything in case of non parallel lines, but one thing happen which is same, that is a linear pair. Here is 79 degree and here is 101 degree and vertically opposite angle, means it works separately and below one works separately. But in the case of parallel lines, both behave equally. See, here is 74 and 74 degree and 106 and 106 and vice versa. But in case of non-parallel lines, we see that both both work separately. Suppose here is I make 80 degree and here is make 100 degree automatically to maintain just a linear pair angle and vertical opposite angle. All I already discussed. But in the below there is angle 102. I again can change because this is a case of non-parallel lines. See how it change. Here is 91, here is 89. Yes, one thing happens same, that is linear pair and vertical opposite angle. Here is 89 and 91 both added to make angle 180 degree. But one thing is not happening in the case of non parallel lines, that is here make 80 angle in this block, but in this block not make 80 degree, but here is 91 degree because this is the case of non parallel line. I hope you understand what I am trying to say in parallel as well as in non parallel lines in case of transversal lines. Thank you.